Okay. Listen fast. Get your shoulder up here in this. Get your shoulder up here in this. Tight.
Not gonna hurt my shoulder?
It's gonna hurt if it's not tight. This is your safety and fire. Are you paying attention to me?
Okay.
Safety, S, fire, down. It's hot, it's ready to fire.
So you want me to put tight in my...
You cannot have it down there. You're gonna aim through this little hole. Let's see, that's 200 yards. So that's 200 yards. You're gonna aim through that little hole to this hole, to the end of that, and try to get it there to that wood. Farm right here, okay?
Huh?
Keep it tight there. Go ahead and squeeze one off. Quit raising your head up when you pull the trigger. Your head stays the same all the way through your shot.
Okay.
It is not going to come back and get you. No, you do not raise your head up to look.
Yeah, I'm just trying to... Wait.
Be rough and tough. You're still on safety. Now, it's going to be ready to fire when you're ready. I think the enemy is going to be already invaded by the time you come in on your shot.
Yeah. One more.
So now, did you go over what we went over on the trigger, on the safety?
I forgot now.
It's safety's on now. It's on now.
It's on?
Baby, get your finger off the trigger. Now you got it right. You start out with burying your hand right there. Just like that. Never a gap here. All the way up on the grip. Like that. And then your fingertip, your finger's a little shorter. But normally, you would take your fingertip and kick this back like that. And you would pull it back around and squeeze it back to turn. So that's safety on. And open like that is safety off. It is safety off right now. If you pull that trigger, the gun's going to go off.
So it is on now?
It's safety now. It won't shoot. Now the safety's off. It will shoot. Look here. Try not to lean back. Try to lean forward just a little bit. Put one leg back. Step a little leg back. There you go. You just having fun pulling that trigger.
This one is fun. It's not hurt my...
You know that body, actually.
Yeah.
When you use the other one.
Every time she gets that gun in her hand, she just turns into smiles. Okay, you're leaning way back in your back too much. Stance, stance.
That's the way you feel short.
You were bending like the letter S there. She's short, so that stock's a little long for her. Good job, you turned that safety on immediately. Good job though, Ma. So, what was you feeling on pulling that trigger on that big 308?
It's looking, I mean, it feels good, even though it's hurt a little bit. You know, of course, it's just first time to use that one and still adjusting, but I like it. Hunting that, but this one is different, you know.
It's a little bit more work, isn't it?
Yeah. You're gonna really aim the target.
It's heavy, and plus, what? It's probably 100 degrees out here today.
Yeah.
And the humidity from a rain that just came through. We probably have 90 to 100% humidity.
Yeah, that's why it's making me look short.
Lechon,
I have fun anyway, no matter what.
You're lechon?
Yes.
I guess that's a Filipino thing. You're lechon.
Roasted.
Okay, there you go.